probably that age.
Yeah, it's been an obsession of mine for a while.
Yeah.
Flaps up, gear up.
All right, Greg.
At least that one's easy to see, I guess.
Yeah, way easier. It's just, this one's really easy to fly. It's,
Seems like you got a lot of power. You took off in no time.
yeah,
Time remaining 2 minutes.
that real fast one I have, it has the same motor as that one.
Okay.
But yeah, it's just a fun plane to fly, just all around. Do a touch and go.
Flaps up, gear up.
Yeah, it's just, it's a lot of fun. It'll go slow, but it'll go fast too.
Right.
You flew Sharam's turbine one, right?
Yeah, I flew that one. It was cool.
Would you consider buying it?
I don't really have any desire for a turbine. I have no problem flying one here and there, but I don't want one.
Don't want to maintain one.
It's just, you know, it's cool. It's the sound, all that stuff is cool, but
I mean, they're a lot faster, right?
yeah, they've got more power, but
Probably way more expensive too.
they are. I just like being able to plug in and go.
Yeah.
Not have to spend 15 minutes setting up.
The electric one.
Yeah, you just plug in and go.
Plug and get it up.
It was cool to fly it. I mean, I'll probably end up getting my waiver just for the hell of it, just to have it.
Just to have one.
Yeah. But I don't see myself getting one. It's just,
What's the runtime on it?
it depends. Depends on what the unit you're using.
10,
I guess you
9,
have like different size tanks.
7,
Yeah.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
They'll fly for sometimes 7-8 minutes, and they get faster and faster and
As
more,
they get lighter.
Yeah, as they get lighter. So
You know, like a nitro car.
yeah.
Down.
So it's just
Landing flaps.
just for me, there's just something about electric that I really like.
Yeah, me too. Ever since LiPos came about,
Yeah.
brushless motors and
Yep.
everything.
Changed everything.
Yeah, it really did.
Because I used to run nitro. That's all I ran.
Same here.
And then
Cars, cars and trucks.
yep. It was nitro planes for me for the longest.
Yeah.
And then everything started changing in about 2008. And then I switched over in 2008. And that was it. No going back after that. Even the cars, the brushless cars are faster now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like I got a couple of tracks of slashes, and I got the big X-Backs now.
Mm-hmm.
And that thing's just a tank.
Yeah.